Hey everybody, it's me Deepita. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys doing well. So today I'm going to show you how to restore your old dried watercolor. Hope you will enjoy this video and try this hack out and let me know in the comment down. So let's get started. So I'm going to use this palette for restoring my old dried watercolor. This is my brand new palette and I really like this palette because as you see there are so many color holders there, and I'm going to use this as my color storage. Also there is a hole there, you can insert your thumb and hold this palette easily. I recommend this palette because this is super light and you can carry easily, and this palette is from Global Products. So now let's restore our color. Here are my Camel student watercolors. Actually I'm using Camel artist color, but these are my old colors and I don't want to waste them as some of them are dried out already and some are way too dry. Luckily my white color comes out super smooth. Now let's try another. Successfully the yellow color also looks fine. Let's try out other colors. Look, this color is already dried and I am just pulling the cover like this way, and see, I am not wasting any colors. There's a little bit color on the package, but you can save a lot, like 90% of your color you can save. You might think if you store these colors like this way, your color will also dry. Yes, it will dry, but you know what? When you try your colors before just starting a painting, you just need to spray some water into this palette and they are alive like new colors. It works like watercolor cakes. So you don't need to pull every time colors on your palette. Just spray some water and you are good to go. By the way, what's your favorite color? My favorite color is purple, blue, black, red, white. And what's yours? Here another color dried out and I am trying to pull out the colors. See, like this way you can open the color package and tear this package and just roll really like this way as I'm doing. It's difficult to explain. I don't know how to explain this, but in this video you can see I'm just tear this package from one side and like rounding way I'm just pull the package and it just these colors are coming out. these colors are completely dried out. If your colors are dried like rock, don't worry, if these are watercolors, so it will easily dilate with water. So you just need some extra time to dilate this. So when you start your painting, just add some more water into these rock solid colors and it will work as new. Try this out and comment down below how this works. See, all my colors are beautifully placed on my palette and they are ready for use. I'm so excited to try them out. Please try this hack and comment down below how this works for you. I also restore my Camel artist watercolor, and these are 20 ml each, and look at these colors. These are huge and they are dried and they are not coming out, so I need to pull them out from the tube and store them so that I can use them easily. For storing my artist watercolor, I am using here cookie chamber box. This is from Bengal and I bought it from DeepitaArts. So let's unbox it and use it. I am going to store this color in the same process I do for my student colors. So let's unbox it. This cost me, by the way, this cost me 105 taka and I bought it from DeepitaArts. This chamber box is really cute and I have a beautiful cover, so I can store this color for really long time. As these tubes are 20 ml, so I need so much time to finish them out. And thanks for watching this video. I hope it will help you to store your old colors, and thank you. See you in next video. Bye.